Hello everyone, James is here.
And I'm here too. Hello, everyone. Today we have a very important topic. From zero confidence to speaking smoothly. A real strategy.
Yes, many English learners tell me, James, I understand English, I know grammar, but when I speak, my brain stops.
Exactly. It's like your brain says, error, system crash, and then silence.
And you stand there smiling, but inside you are thinking, help.
So today, we will talk about why this happens and what you can really do to move from zero confidence to speaking smoothly.
First, let's talk about the biggest problem. Many learners think confidence comes first and then speaking comes after.
But actually, it's the opposite. Speaking comes first. Confidence comes later.
Yes, confidence is not magic. It's not something you wake up with one day and say, wow, today I'm confident.
I wish it worked like that.
Me too. But confidence is built from small actions again and again.
So let's start with step 1. Stop waiting to feel ready.
This is very important. Many learners say, I will speak when my grammar is perfect.
That day will never come.
Never.
Even native speakers don't have perfect grammar all the time.
That's true. We make mistakes every day, but we keep talking.
So your first mindset change is this. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are training.
Let's give a practical example. Imagine you want to go to the gym.
Yes, the gym example. I feel tired already.
If you say, I will go to the gym when I am strong, that makes no sense.
Exactly. You go to the gym to become strong.
And you speak to become confident.
So step 1, speak before you feel confident.
Now, step 2, make your speaking small and simple.
This is where many learners make a mistake. They try to speak in long, complicated sentences.
Yes, they want to sound smart.
But then their brain gets overloaded.
Instead, start with short sentences. For example, instead of saying, in my personal opinion, I strongly believe that environmental issues are extremely significant in modern society.
You can say, I think the environment is very important today.
Much easier, clear, natural.
Smooth speaking is not about difficult words. It's about clear ideas.
Let's talk about daily practice. Many learners practice only in their heads.
Oh yes, they think in English while washing dishes.
That's good, but it's not enough.
Because speaking is physical. Your mouth needs training too.
Exactly. Your tongue, your lips, your voice, they need practice.
So here is a powerful strategy. Speak out loud every day for 5 minutes.
Only 5 minutes?
Yes, but every day.
What should they talk about?
Simple topics. What did you do today? What are your plans? What do you see in your room?
For example, today I woke up at 7. I felt tired. I drank coffee. Then I went to work.
Simple, clear, real.
And don't stop if you make a mistake. Continue.
Very important. Do not stop and say, oh no, grammar mistake. Just continue.
Because in real conversations, people don't stop you for every small mistake.
They just want to understand you.
Now, let's talk about fear. Many learners are afraid of being judged.
Yes, they think people will laugh at my accent.
But let me ask you something. When someone speaks your language with mistakes, do you laugh at them?
No, I feel respect. I think, wow, they're trying.
Exactly. Most people feel the same.
And if someone laughs at you, that says more about them, not about you.
Very true.
Now let's move to a powerful technique, the 3-level speaking method.
Ooh, that sounds interesting.
Level 1, read and repeat.
So you take a short text or dialogue and repeat after the speaker.
Yes, copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation.
Like acting.
Exactly. You are an English actor.
I like that. Hollywood, here we come.
Slowly, James, step by step.
Okay.
Okay, level 2, controlled speaking. You answer simple questions about the text.
For example, if the text is about travel, you answer, "Where did he go?" "He went to Spain."
Yes, you use the same vocabulary but change small details.
And level 3?
Free speaking. You talk about your own experience on the same topic.
So if the topic is travel, I say, "Last year I went to Italy. I traveled with my friend."
Perfect. This method helps your brain move from copying to creating.
And that builds real confidence.
Now let's talk about another big problem, comparing yourself to others.
Oh yes, social media makes this worse.
You see someone speaking English fluently and you think, my English is terrible.
But you don't see their journey.
Maybe they practiced for 10 years.
Maybe they lived abroad.
Maybe they also cried after speaking in public once.
That's very possible.
So instead of comparing yourself to others, compare yourself to your past self.
Ask, "Am I better than 6 months ago?"
If the answer is yes, you are winning.
Even small progress is progress.
Now let's give a simple weekly plan.
Good idea.
Day 1 to day 3, 5 minutes of speaking alone. Record yourself.
Recording is scary.
Yes, but powerful.
When you listen, don't say, "My voice is terrible."
Everyone thinks that about their voice.
True.
Instead, listen for improvement. Are you clearer? Are you faster?
And day 4 to day 5?
Practice with a partner. It can be a friend or online language partner.
Keep the topic simple.
Yes, don't discuss world politics on day 1.
Maybe start with food.
Yes, everyone loves food.
Except when they're on a diet.
Don't remind me.
And what about the weekend?
Review. Listen to your old recordings. Notice your improvement.
This creates motivation.
Exactly. Motivation grows when you see progress.
Before we finish, let's say one important truth. Smooth speaking is not fast speaking.
Very important.
Many learners try to speak very fast to sound fluent.
But then they make more mistakes and feel more nervous.
Speak a little slower. Think. Breathe.
Silence is okay. A short pause is natural.
Native speakers pause all the time.
So remember, clear is better than fast.
So today we learned that don't wait for confidence, start speaking. Keep it simple, practice daily, use the 3-level method, stop comparing, speak clearly, not quickly.
And most important, be patient with yourself.
English is a journey, not a race.
Step by step, you will move from zero confidence
To speaking smoothly.
and one day you will look back and say, wow, I can really do this.
And we believe you can.
Absolutely.
Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends. Bye and see you next time. Bye-bye.